Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking for a healthy and guilt-free snack, which is full Makhana Snack. I'm going to share a recipe of full Makhana Snack in two different ways, sweet and savory full Makhanas. These are rich in calcium, protein and minerals like zinc, so feel free to serve this wonderful snack to your kids as well. But before we start making this crispy snack, please make sure to give us a thumbs up if you will enjoy this video, and if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe us to get notification of the upcoming recipes. So let's start making full Makhana Snack. Let's start making sweet makhana first, and for that we need 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil in a pan on low heat. Once ghee is warmed up, then add 3 cups of full makhana. Roast makhana on low heat and keep stirring them. If you don't want to add ghee or oil, then you can just dry roast them on low heat. It can take about 10 to 15 minutes to roast makhana. Makhanas are also called foxnuts or lotus seeds, and they have been used in Chinese medicine since 3000 years and have found an important place in the science of Ayurveda too. To check if makhana are done or not, then pick one makhana and try to squash, and if it's soft, then it means that it's not done yet. Cook it further for a few more minutes until it gets crunchy. Check it after a few more minutes. Pick one makhana and try to squash it, and you should be able to crush it easily. Now, as you can see, it's crushed, which means it's done. Turn the heat off and transfer the makhana into a bowl. Now we need to prepare its coating, and for coating, use the same pan on low heat and put 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil. Once ghee is warmed up, then add 1 cup of jaggery. Keep crushing and stirring on low heat until it becomes smooth paste. Keep cooking on low heat. Once it turns into a smooth paste, then add a 1/4 cup of sesame seeds and mix them well. Keep stirring and cooking on low heat until it starts thickening. Then add roasted full makhana. Mix them well to coat each makhana with jaggery and sesame seed paste. Slowly it will start thickening. As you can see, it's quite thick now, and each makhana is coated with jaggery very well. Turn the heat off and transfer the makhana onto a plate or a tray. Spread them with a spatula. After 10 to 15 minutes, when temperature comes down a bit, then you will notice that jaggery is settling and it's getting hard. At this point, when it's still a bit soft, you should be able to separate them. And once they are separated, then let them cool down completely and enjoy this guilt-free snack whenever you want. So this was our sweet makhana snack. So now let's get started with the savory snack. For that, first of all, we need 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil in a pan on low heat. Once ghee is warmed up, then add 3 cups of full makhana. Roast makhana on low heat and keep stirring them. If you don't want to add ghee or oil, then you can just dry roast them on low heat. It can take about 10 to 15 minutes to roast makhana. To check if makhana are done or not, then pick one makhana and try to squash, and if it's soft, then it means that it's not done yet. Cook it further for a few more minutes until it gets crunchy. Check it after a few more minutes and use the same method. If you're able to crush it, then it means that it's done. Now turn the heat off and transfer them into a bowl. Now it's time to give them some flavor. For that, use the same pan on low heat and take 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil. Once ghee is warmed up, then add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix them well. If you don't prefer to add chaat masala, then you can also use either black pepper or peri peri masala. Once it's mixed, then add roasted makhana. Mix them well to coat each makhana. Keep stirring and cooking until it goes dry and crunchy. It will only take 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see that each makhana is now coated with masala and are quite dry. Turn the heat off and transfer them into a bowl. Let them cool down completely and then enjoy this savory and healthy snack, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Not just that, please share your comments with us and which one is your favorite snack. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from the screen, and you can subscribe our channel using the link on the screen or a link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe.